Hello students, welcome back. So we have done from our book Behind lesson first the fun they had and a poem. The name of the poem is The Road Not Taken and that poem is written by Robert Frost. And second lesson which contains two parts. One is the sound of music. This is the second lesson and in the second lesson there are two parts. One is about Evelyn Gilani. Second part is about Bismillah Khan. And today we are going in the same book, in Bihai book, with the next poem. The poem name is, it is written on board, poem Wind. This is the second poem. And the poet of this poem is Subramania Bharati. And he is known as Mahakavi Bharati also. So now, know more about the Mahakavi Bharati, Subramania Bharati. Subramania Bharati born on 11 December 1882 and where Itayapuram. He born in Itayapuram, and where this Itayapuram? This Itayapuram is in Tamil Nadu. So now we are talking about the poem Wind. This poem is written by Subramania Bharati and this poem is written in Tamil language. But we are reading this poem in English language. So this poem is translated in English and it is translated in English by A.K. Ramanujan, and you can see in your book also it is written there, it is given there, because this poem is written in by Subramania Bharati, but it is translated in English. It is translated in English by A.K. Ramanujan. So A.K. Ramanujan is the poet who translate this poem into English. So now let's know more about Subramania Bharati. What about Subramania Bharati is there? So let's see. Subramania Bharati is known as Mahakavi Bharati also, and he born on 11 December 1882, and he was a Tamil poet. He was a Tamil journalist. He was a Tamil Indian independence activist, social reformer, and he is known as Mahakavi Bharati. He was a great poet. He was a great writer. He didn't write only. No, he was not a writer only. No, he did many works to reform the society. So now Bharati had his early educations from his home district, that is Trinweli, and from Varanasi, and Varanasi is in UP. And when he got his educations, after his educations, he worked as a reporter, he worked as a journalist, in many newspapers, just like the Hindu newspaper, Bala Bharata newspapers, Vijaya newspaper, Chakravartini newspaper, Swadesh Mitran newspaper, and India newspaper. So he worked in these papers, as an activist, or as an as a reporter, as a journalist. So he was independence activist also. So being Indian independence, he was thrown into the jail. He was sent into the jail, and he was sent into jail in Puducherry. In that time it was called Pondicherry, and he was there for 10 years. And next one is there. So today we are going to read more about the poem. The name of the poem is Wind. So this poem is what? So we are going to know more about the poem. So what about this poem is? So let's know more about the poem. So the wind. Everybody know about the wind. What is wind? So wind is a very, very good thing. If it blows, so then we feel happy. When it is not there in summer season, so we got upset and we get upset. So we all know that wind is a natural phenomena. In this poem, the poet talks to the wind. There is a conversation between poet and wind. So poet is talking, poet is speaking, poet is discussing with wind. The power of wind has been described in the poem, and the poet says that wind is destructive. Wind is destructive. But in the beginning I told you that wind is it makes us happy. So now the poet is saying that the wind is destructive. The link has he has linked the destructive power of wind to the adversities of the life. Yes, so when wind comes, that make problem, that disturbs the other things. So same here, that when the wind, the obstacles, which obstacles we face in our life, these are wind. So how can we face these problems? Which problems came in our life? Which problems come in life? So how can we face these problems? Yes, we have to be strong. We have to prepare ourselves. We have to be mentally strong. We have to be physically strong to face the problems. Those problems come in our life. So we have to be mentally and physically strong. And after that, when we are mentally and physically strong, then we can face the problems. Those problems are coming in our life. We can face this problem very easily. So a weak person, a weak person break down like a weak building when the strong wind come. When the strong wind come, then a strong, a weak person, break down. Weak people breaks down like a weak building. So we must make these destructive forces our friends. So these all things, and rest thing we will come to know when we are going to read the poem. So tomorrow in the next video we will read the poem and we will know more about poet Subramanya Bharati. So that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day.